Hi everyone, welcome back to the Dr. Sia channel. In the video here today, we're going to be talking about how it feels for you when you're in a room with someone who has an avoidant attachment. Let's get started. Alright, so one of the most common things that we've been focusing on here on this channel is on what goes on for a person who has one attachment style or the other. And of course, the point of that is for people to better be able to identify what goes on for themselves and for their partners and family members and patients and so on and so forth, to be more supportive and assisting towards them. But we haven't really talked at all about what it would feel like for you to be in a room with a person who has an avoidant attachment. Now, when I say what it feels like for you, I'm going to pull on the idea that you are securely attached or that you are not yourself attached avoidantly. So either you're secure or you're ambivalent or you're disorganized, but you're not avoidant. Because if you're avoidant and you're in a room with a person who feels avoidant, you might not feel these things. So let's get started. So when you're in a room with a person who has an avoidant attachment, what you will feel more than anything else is that by and large, the whole experience is largely about you. That unless you're talking about successes, unless you're talking about achievements, unless you're talking about competencies and abilities and skills or things like that, you're gonna feel like it was a lot about you. Like you were in there, and at the end of the day, you don't really know much about that person at all because you haven't really been told much about them on so many levels at all. So that is the one main way that you will feel when you're in a room with a person who has an avoidant attachment. That's all I had to say for this little short snippet of a video, and I hope you liked it. I hope you press like, and I hope you subscribe, and I'll see you again for the next one for another short snippet of what it will feel like when you're in a room with someone who has an ambivalent attachment. See you for then. What happened to my voice? Words. What's going on with me? See you for the next one.